be talking about the precautions to take when sanding paint. First off, sanding of lead-based paint is not recommended due to the difficulty of controlling the contaminated dust. Since it's very difficult to determine if the paint contains lead, there's a few things that you'll always want to follow when sanding anything that has paint on it. You always want to wear a proper dust mask or respirator. This dust mask here is not approved to be used for sanding paint. It does not properly protect you. You want to make sure that you get a good respirator that will protect you against that contaminated dust. After you're done sanding any material that has paint on it, you want to make sure that you wash and clean up before eating or drinking or anything like that. Lead paint is most dangerous to pregnant women or children, so wherever you're working at, you want to make sure and seal off any rooms. You want to make sure that there's no children's toys around or anything where this dust could get on. And then once you're finished, you want to make sure to clean everything.